Ever wondered how websites are built? Well, that's where the magic of web development comes into play. In this vast digital world, web development is a critical skill, weaving together a tapestry of coding languages and tools to create the websites we use every day. This video will guide you through the fundamental concepts of web development, breaking down the complex into the comprehensible. So, are you ready to take a peek behind the curtain? Stay tuned as we unfold the fascinating world of web development. Building a website might seem like a daunting task, but it isn't when you understand the basics. At the heart of web development are three key components: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's start with HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of it as the skeleton of a website. It provides structure, organizing content into headings, paragraphs, and links. Next, we have CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. If HTML is the skeleton, then CSS is the skin and clothes. It's all about design, controlling the layout, colors, fonts, and overall look of the website. Last but not least is JavaScript. It's the muscle, enabling your website to perform actions and respond to user interactions. It's what makes a website dynamic and interactive. Each of these components plays a vital role, and they work together to create a complete website. With these three key components, you are already on your way to creating your first website. Having the right tools can make the process of building a website much smoother. Let's dive into some of the essential ones. First up, text editors. These are the workhorses of web development, allowing you to write and edit your code. Popular options include Sublime Text and Visual Studio Code. Next, web browsers. They're not just for surfing the web. Developers use browsers to test and debug their code. Chrome and Firefox, for instance, have excellent developer tools built in. Lastly, we have version control systems like Git. This tool lets you manage your code, keeping track of changes and making collaboration easier. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well equipped to start building. Now you have a basic understanding of how websites are built. We've taken a journey exploring the backbone of web development: HTML, which structures our content, CSS that styles and brings life to our web pages, and JavaScript, the magic wand that adds interactivity and functionality. We've also glanced at the toolbox that aids in streamlining the process of building a website. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a vast ocean of knowledge waiting for you to dive in, start experimenting, building, and most importantly, learning. Every great website starts with a single line of code. Dive into the world of web development and who knows, you might just create the next big thing on the web.